Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be taking a look at Tesla stock. Before we get into this analysis, make sure that you hit that like button. I would really appreciate that. Make sure you become a subscriber. You'll get notified whenever I upload a video. Would really love to see that. And let's get into the analysis. All right, so let's take a look at Tesla. Yesterday we said that Tesla was going to have a brief correction and that after the correction, Tesla would pretty much be picking up pace again. Well, guess what happened? Tesla had a correction, and then we went above the trend line again that we drew the other time. So I guess we were spot on about this. Fortunately we did not go back to fill this gap. However, this could happen on a later day, maybe after earnings. I hope it doesn't happen, but it could happen. So yeah, right now we are trading at the 445 level, which is pretty significant because we're up like 0.73% while the market is down almost a percentage point. So that's pretty nice. We had a high of around 448.9. So as you can see, this is the resistance at 448. It blew right through it, but then it came right back. RSI became way too much and too high. So we then briefly went below the trend line, but Tesla really likes this trend line. You know, it really doesn't want to go through it. Whenever it does go through it, it comes right back up like a skyrocket. You know, look at that. Came right back up, tested this resistance line again, and we are having a very tough time going through that 448 level. As we can see, the RSI does have some room to go up, and you can see that the MACD, it hasn't crossed since this move over here, which happened pretty much yesterday. We might see the MACD crossing again. We might see RSI going into overbought territory, which is good. Would mean that the stock would go up, potentially breaking through the resistance. That's something we should be looking at, where it would probably bounce. Let me just draw this out. We could bounce right here, hit the resistance again, bounce on the trend line again, and then just move up to go beyond the 448 level. Everybody's looking at this level because I can show you right here. 1 second. If we just go to the daily, this resistance level, this one right here, there haven't been many times that we breached it. One was when like before the stock split, with the insane hype and the stock market going up 10%. And yeah, right here, very briefly, and then we just literally came back down and crashed. So yeah, that is a level to definitely take a look at for the coming days, weeks, etc. So I think we're going to get into this area. We're going to comfortably trade in an area where we normally are not trading comfortably, which is going to be a bullish sign, because we created a channel right here. This is basically saying, all right, we're comfortable in this area. Now let's go to the hourly. Now we need to get comfortable in the next area, 450 to 460. So we should pretty much go up here and just become comfortable, I guess. Probably hit the resistance or maybe support a couple times and then moving upwards. This could happen in a bullish scenario, and we are going bullish mode, as I've noticed. And let me just go back to the 30 minutes. So yeah, it's looking quite bullish in the near term. Also in the long term, I mean, earnings are coming up 21st of October. It's going to be a huge catalyst. We broke through this wedge pattern, as you can see, the blue line. So yeah, guys, we're just in a bullish trajectory right now. If this keeps on going, if the markets keep on giving, we could definitely see $600 very, very soon. And the all-time high of $500, obviously. Maybe even the all-time high after hours at $540. I would not be surprised if we get to see this happen at around earnings. Because we do know that Tesla can move up. As you can see here, it could move up like, what was this? This was 10 points in a day. And this was what? Almost 20 points in a day or two. We could do that. We could do that in a couple days in a row, you know? RSI is not too overbought. MACD is moving up. So we had the brief correction. Now we're going to move sideways in a upward trajectory. Guys, I think this was the analysis for Tesla stock. The future is looking bright unless Trump suddenly dies or something like that. But I think we are safe in that department. This is one wonderful stock. We should really thank Elon Musk for this stock. It's pretty great. It's been great. And I think it's going to keep on being great for the foreseeing future. This was my Tesla stock analysis. I hope you liked it. And if you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lucid Trader. I would really appreciate that. And also, make sure you hit that link in the description to Trading 212. You'll get a free stock up to $100 if you sign up through that link. I wish I could have done this myself, but I didn't know this link was available, so I didn't get a free stock. I'm using that app myself, Trading 212. Really good app. And there's a link for the Discord. Make sure you join that. It's a community for traders and investors. It's pretty nice. All right, guys. I hope you have a nice day. This was Lucid Trading. I'll see you next time.